Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to another video. So, we're here pa rin sa Seattle. Look, tignan nyo yung shuttle bus. Nasa shuttle bus na. Huwag mo kong luloko-lokohin dyan. Tignan mo naman yung ano.
Ang gloomy today.
Ang gloomy. Yan. Yan. Super gloomy. But okay lang. Outfit check. Yan. So,
Ba't nakasando tayo?
di ko pa alam. Parang may concert ang ganap. So, anong gagawin natin today? Okay.
Wala.
Parang pumunta lang tayo dito sa Washington, pero
Wala.
parang wala tayong ginagawa.
Mag-chill lang sa buhay.
Mag-chill lang sa buhay. Oo.
Chill lang sa buhay.
Oo. And then, pero pupunta tayo, meron tayong pupuntahan na sa Space Needle. Di ba? So, ano bang makikita natin doon, love?
Needles?
Oo.
Needles?
Needles?
At saka space.
Hindi. Di ba na ano din yun? Na ano din siya sa isang movie?
Yung
Yes.
Final Destination. Parang yun yata yun.
Yes, yun. Yun ba yun?
Yun talaga yung example. Final Destination.
Final Destination. So, puntahan natin.
Doon lang tayo sa baba.
Hindi. I wanna go there. I wanna go upstairs. Upstairs?
Stairs?
May stairs pala.
May stairs ba?
Hindi, mag-elevator na lang tayo kaya. Escalator yata eh. Escalator pala. Elevator yung nakita ko. Kasi maliit lang yung space.
Space needle.
Needle. Ewan ko ba. So guys, kita-kits naman. Kita-kits? Hindi. Wala kaming magagawa eh. Parang nag-vlog lang kami ng wala lang. And then, yun lang yung pupunta namin din. Kainan naman siguro mamaya. Ay!
Yung Korean.
Korean. So, yan, iba-vlog
Sana lunch
natin.
na lang, gutom na ako.
Grabe naman. So,
Hindi ako kumain.
So hanggang makakatulog tayo niyan kasi ang busog na natin later. Masarap yung kainan namin. Kakainan namin kasi para siyang kaldereta siya na pasosyal. Pasosyal na kaldereta na may maraming cheese, di ba? Kasi gano'n naman yung mga Korean, mahilig sa mga cheese and everything. Bye and see ya sa aming third. Hindi ko na alam. Third na ba? Third day.
First.
Third day ng aming vlog. Bye!
Scared?
So yan, ito yung aming parang cruise, no?
Oo nga na. Parang
Diba? So ito yung hotel namin. So maraming tao sa baba. Nagiinuman na pa sila. Hi guys! So nandito na kami ngayon sa Space Needle. Yan! Dito po. Nasa likuran lang namin. Grabe. Parang parang needle talaga. Wow. Needle talaga siya. Kasi Space Needle. I love. Mal.
Okay, another one movie. na
sinut dito.
I feel like there was like an Apple TV movie.
Sleepless in Seattle. Yun.
Yeah. Yung parking natin dyan sa giliran. At saka pupunta kami dyan sa taas. Pero paano pang pupunta sa taas? Parang Oh, yan. Yung yan. Ganda naman.
Alright, hey guys. Wait, I need the microphone. Where's the microphone? You have the microphone? So like right now I'm in control of this channel right now. And look at that guys. It's the Space Needle.
Yeah,
I
you
see
gonna
that.
like that. Double click.
Yeah. Looks nice, eh?
Yes.
Looks nice. That's pretty cool.
That Labubu, that's the real or no?
Yes, it's real Labubu.
Original?
Yeah. Nice trash over there. IMAX at the center.
Oh.
Fair enough.
Picture muna tayo. Libre na ba? Ayan na. Stop lang. Pakita.
Email na lang.
I-email mo na lang. So yun guys, kumuha kami ng ticket dito.
Sali ako sa...
Pakisali ko.
Hindi, isali mo ako sa vlog.
Sige. Ah, sige, ayan. Oo. Walang pa-coupon dito. Hindi sila given.
And then ready?
Yan. So, aakyat kami later. Anong oras na ngayon? Time check is 12:55. So, 1:15. 1:15 kami aakyat doon. Magano lang, zipline. Charot. Yan guys, update ko kayo later. Bye-bye. Ano naman to itong asawa ko?
Ninervyos ako.
Bakit ninervous ka?
Hindi lumalabas.
Ha? Kala ko ninervous ka kasi meron na?
Ayun na.
Tara, imo na kami. Tayo. Ayan. Tara, let's go. Ano daw?
Okay pa. I speak Spanish. No.
Sabihin mo, pukito. So guys, malapit na kami pupunta doon sa Tok-Tok. Oh, yan. Hindi ko pala na-record kanina. Yan, as you can see, doon yung mga history ng Space Needle. Yun, isang Space Needle, yung story daw is yung first na sa tissue daw nagsisimula. Drawing, yun. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung nag-drawing na yan. At na yun, gumawa. Pero before, ano bang
Saan ba galing yung space needle? Sa space?
sa space,
Tapos?
may lumulutang daw na needle daw. Hindi. So, tanungin natin si Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, come here. Kuya Kim,
So,
you have a lot of knowledge in this space needle.
I don't remember much. What am I supposed to
About the
say?
tissue and everything.
Tissue? What? Oh, yeah. So like some guy, he like drew a sketch, and he got inspired by like a building in Germany, and he just like and he made something like it on a piece of tissue. That was supposed to be for like a space thingy. I don't know. Yeah, that's it.
Alam nyo na. English kasi yun eh. Hindi namin. Pero, okay, ano.
Hello.
so what do you think? What do you think about Are you scared?
Nervous.
Nervous?
Really nervous.
But you're excited.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm really excited.
Okay. Can you, hi your mom? Shout out your mom.
Why?
Hi mom.
Stare the space needle.
So may nalalaman din yung asawa ko kahit pa konti, no? Anong gusto, ano mo?
Ang alam ko, tig-piso.
Before daw.
No 1960s, $1 lang yung ticket to go up. Tapos ngayon, $55 na. Grabe no, mahal.
At saka wala pang pa-buffet. Meron daw before daw, may pa-buffet daw ang piso.
Talaga?
Charot lang. Ikaw alam.
Walang pa kahit isang slice lang ng mangga.
Isa sa mga papunta dyan yung paline, papunta sa elevator. Mag-elevator ba tayo? Or escalator ba nandito?
Yeah. Speed bump.
Escalator natin.
At saka ang balita ko, sa elevator daw, tag-5 lang daw. Kasi
Hindi naman yata.
hindi, tag-5. Yeah, tag-5 talaga kasi important talaga yung space.
Ng
Needle. Ayan, may pa photo booth pa. What? Shh. Ayan, may pa photo booth pa. Yan. Yan. Package deal na to. Baka may pa buffet pa sa taas eh. Shh. Yan. Smile. Sa loob. Wow. There we go.
Boy. Oh no.
There we go. Yeah.
Wait, I'm not scared.
Yeah.
I'm not scared.
Look. Look at the camera. Hindi na tayo. Yan. Ganda. Wow. So nice.
I want to feel the air.
Punta tayo sa ano, sa labas. Wow. Ganda. Beautiful.
Look at the cars.
Lagay mo nga sa ilalim.
Ano color? Oh my. Woo! Nakakalula naman ito.
I can't believe you.
Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Love, love. Teka, yeah. Try. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Wow. 2, 1. Yan. Woo!
Hindi naman, Diyos ko naman.
Grabe.
Gagawin ko.
Sige lang, magano ka dyan. Ang ganda naman dito. Nakakalula lang. Look the view. Yan. Maganda dito ang view. Whew. Sobrang init na. Ano, yung mga buildings. Yan. So, ditong side na to, yan. Yung dagat. Ganda. Tsaka may mga malaking cruise dyan.
The sun is on the other part.
Yan.
Yung lake or lake.
Ano?
But when he said serious, he actually
Ang init sa kabila.
serious.
Yeah, I know.
Dun.
You were like, but the other one,
Grabe dito. Daming tao. Yan ang nakalagay. 1962 daw is 1962, 63,000 daw na mga visitors. Wow. Sobrang init sa labas, guys. So, yun. Sarap ng aircon. Pero look, tingnan nyo yung view ko. Yan yung view ko, guys. Ganda-ganda. Wow. You wanna step?
It's moving. Look, it's moving.
Yes. Go. Hala! Hala, si kuya!
Guys, come on.
He's scared. Oh.
are you scared?
Oh my god! You scared? Oh my god!
I can't look down.
Oh my god! Oh.
You sit down. You sit down. There you go. I'll take a picture of you. There you go. Look at it.
Yan. Sige, go. Laban lang. Yan. Kasi, sa akin? Wait. Wow, ang ganda naman. So yun guys, patapos na kami. Dito. Wow, ang ganda. Let's go. Lang, tingka. So ate, ano na? Anong mga... Yung saya, di ba?
Saya-saya. It's
Parang-
worth it.
Parang nasa top of the world ka na.
Correct.
Yes.
It's really nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's really,
It's very what?
it's nice to, it is really like the Final Destination movie.
Mhm.
Where they shoot it.
Kulang na lang yung restaurant.
Yeah.
Walang... Siguro may magano dito, no? May magpa-private siguro dito for ano.
Yeah. wedding.
Wedding.
Diba?
You're not.
You're scared?
I like the mechanics behind that.
You're scared?
No.
Man, that means
the
you're
view is going
scared.
to be this way. So we are now going down 8 miles per hour on 15 kilometers per hour, and it's going to be a 45-second ride. If you have any questions, please let me know. I might be able to answer them or not.
How tall is this?
520 feet to the observation deck, and the very top is 600.
Yup.
It's not scary at all.
Get it?
Oh.
I only do it when I do.
Alright,
Tara na. Tara na.
How about Space Needle souvenir?
Kakain na, kakain. Hi guys, so nandito na kami ngayon sa restaurant. Kakatapos lang namin na naglibot-libot din sa Space Needle. So, dito kami sa Korean restaurant. Yan. Dito, masarap yung caldereta na may cheese. At mayroon later na tawag doon, may performance later. Tusunugin nila yung cheese. Yan naman yung mga side dish. Yes. Anong kinuha? What is that? Lahat. Oh wow. Good. Okay now. There's a fire. Wow. Woo. Yay! Yay! So guys, nandito na yung pagkain. Yum!
Go, you do it. You're the first digs.
Yeah.
Go ahead. I don't know how. I mean, just no, soju.
Soju talaga. Thank you. Eating. Soju.
Anghang eh.
Maanghang daw.
Tagal lang soju.
Yeah. Alcohol talaga. Yum.
Ha?
Yum.
We're going to go here. Walang pera mo.
If you want dinner, there's chicken joy at home.
Cheers. Cheers, kuya. Cheers.
Cheers, Landon.
Cheers. Ah,
Natatanggal ng anghang ng alcohol.
wow. Hi guys. So, dumating na kami dito sa hotel.
Kumakain ka na naman.
Kumakain pa rin ako. Ayan, nag-edit lang ako ng vlog. So yan yung mga pa-snack namin today.
Ay, nakakuha din ako ng stock today. Nagagita.
Oh. So guys, nag-enjoy ka ba sa Space Needle?
Oo, nakakatuwa. Yung glass door. Glass
Glass
floor.
wall.
Glass floor. Glass door, glass floor, glass wall.
Ano?
Yun. Lahat glass.
Wow.
So, house of glass.
Wow. Okay. So guys, yan, nag-enjoy naman kami today. Then tomorrow, we have travel na naman out of the country.
Saan?
Yeah, out of the country.
Canada yun?
Basta.
2 hours na.
Yeah, that's out of the country pa rin, di ba? Kasi we need a visa.
Hindi kami.
Oh, psst. Yan guys, hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin and maliligo lang doon. Tapos ako naligo. And then, yan. Ang baho mo naman. Bye guys.
Bye.
Kaya wag ka na
Good
ng
night.
anak natin. Bye. Good night.